He's the Phil, the groundhog of Florida, I guess. So.
Yeah, I don't know. If I did move down there, I'd probably try to get a second floor.
There's not a lot of them.
Huh?
There's not a lot of second floor.
There's not a lot of second floor, no, unless you get like in a big complex, like a big hotel type of thing,
Yeah,
a condominium, but
yeah, I get
a big place, you know, second, third floor or something. And then you're not gonna get flooded out.
Yeah, then like that one in Miami that collapsed a few years back.
Did it collapse?
Yeah, the whole high-rise condo thing just collapsed.
Oh my God. I think I'll stay around here.
Yeah, winters they get milder. I mean, they get snowy. All right, well, I'll let you do your thing. If you and if you want to see, you can go in and out of the bulkhead.
Nah, it shouldn't be a big deal. I mean, I do this one every year, so it's not that big of a deal. Oh, fuck, bio slime. Look at it all. It's like syrup. That's bad. That's flipping bad. Bio slime. Look at the slime. Like slime. Slime from hell, mama. Bio slime from hell. Four. Gasket. This one's supposed to have a spring on the inside, but it don't, so I'll try to get it in the best I can here in the middle. Try to get it in the middle the best I can there. The old bio slime. We'll leave the air in this thing, we'll just pull it through the other side. And we'll get a good flow through the pump. We'll get a good flow through the pump. I'll get a control I can jump out on the other end. Make it easy for me. I think that's a Webster pump on this one. That's the only drawback of a Webster. There's no filter involved. They're no longer being made, the Websters. It's a Webster pump. I got the power off. I do this one every year. This is an AF. What time of year? Doing burners. Yeah, last year, 1 year. It don't look bad. This type of pump, you want to bleed it good because See, it's not all black, so the filter at the tank's been catching the shit. There's no filter in the pump on this one. This is a 7580. I gotta get some more nozzles on my truck box. Yeah, it's getting a little thin. Getting a little thin. Nozzle selection here in the box. This is not all black, so that's good. This is not all. If this was all black, I'd be concerned. Been running clean and lean. If you got them running right, they should run pretty clean. They shouldn't really set up for the most part. Got it running clean and lean. When I start it, I'll jump out FF. I'll jump out FF to keep it running. That's what I want to do. Oh, this thing's getting awful hard. I'm going to get another piece out of the truck because this gets brittle and it doesn't flex like it should. It's hard to get on there. It'll go on there, but man, you got to really give it the old Gundy to get it on there. Open this up a couple of turns because it's gonna wanna. All right, start it up and. It's off on high limit. I gotta turn the limit up. Oh, someone disconnected the low limit. Oh, I got it off. Somebody disconnected this blue. I don't know why that's off. That belongs in there. I got it off there. Turn it up. Turn on the switch. There it goes. We left gear in there, remember? I'm jumping on FF. Get the air out of it. Got the FF jumped out here with the jumper. Here comes the air. Alright, we're bled now. Gotta get on the. There's a leaker. We'll see how it fires. You ready? She's not all choked up. If it was, my hand would be burning. running nice and clean. It's nice to see it's not all black in there. That's good. You want to overcomplicate this shit. Some of these flipping guys, I would do this, I would do that, I would do this, yeah. I don't know what, I have a flipping clue what the hell's going on. I would do this, I would do that, I would do this. Yeah, whatever. Clueless motherfuckers. All I can say. Clueless. Now I'm going to turn the high limit back down. Yeah. If you're going to take this blue out, you got to touch the blue and the red together to kill the low limit. I don't see a problem with a low limit. He's got a storage tank anyway. He's got to maintain temperature for that anyway. We're going to turn this down to 180. It should be calling. He's got zone valves up there. One of them's probably calling. I don't know why that blue wire was disconnected. I don't know. It seems a little odd. Got to be calling for heat. Something's not right in paradise here. He's got zone valves here, so let's see if one of these are calling. That one's calling. It went down easy, so that one's calling. That one's calling for heat, that's why it's running. Well, this one. No, this one's not calling, but this one is. See how it comes down easy? That one's calling for heat. Alright, so the filter's not leaking. That's good. Good oil on the tank. I don't see any leaks on the tank. Nothing major here. A little bit, maybe. Yeah, I don't know why that thing was off the control, but she got good boiler pressure. Shut the limit, shut off on high limit. It's running good. I don't know why they got it blocked, but that's right over the burner. That's not the best place for it. No filterette tank, no nozzle, clean burner head, good oil flow, good draft over fire. I was here a year ago. New nozzle, new filter, good oil flow, zero smoke. Deja vu. That's a Webster pump. That's a Webster pump. They pump really good, but there's no filter in there. That's the only drawback, but they really pump well.